Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another wonderful podcast of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and I'm very happy to meet you all through this audio podcast today. Now, as you all have been talking a lot about the update of American Express, so-called the updated cities, remote areas, and so on and so forth. So, as discussed already on the video of my channel, I have specifically asked and even spoken to people that it is in the process. Things are getting jotted down, getting ready for paperwork, documentation, so on and so forth. And the latest update from American Express is yet to be penned down with the official news. The news which I shared, that was more towards inside information. Okay, so just have some patience. There are two things I would like to say before I probably quit this particular conversation, talking more about it. Number one, American Express is indeed going to renowned for updating things, just like Apple Corporation. So they are, more often than not, they take their own sweet time, they think about it, they have their ways of revealing the so-called the newcome cities, and once they have every single documentation ready, that is when officially they're going to go ahead and publish so-called the list of newly added cities, and probably almost all. That's what I am guessing, because they do not want this time to leave any of the remaining remote areas in India, so that people again feel kind of away from American Express, right? So that's deal number one. Deal number two, they are testing some of the cities. So there are also a lot of chances that some of the cities which they have already included may come in phases. So initially they have announced and they have publicly confirmed. When I say publicly, they have confirmed through the help of the inside sources. So I have somebody like my RMs, my managers and stuff like that. So they talk to me. They talk to me about the inside information and all those things. So they are going to systematically provide the information about each and every edition of the cities and the places where American Express can be launched immediately once they have the rules and regulations. So that's all I have in today's podcast. I just want you all to stick around, stay updated on my channel, and please subscribe my podcast as well, so that you remain updated as and when I publish a new podcast. Till next time, you take care, and I wish you all a lovely night. Take care.